Today I'm going to talk about Star Wars, The Clone Wars, The Sith Hunters. A rather short graphic novel. It takes place after the Season 4 episode of the Clone Wars animated series entitled Revenge, and focuses on Darth Maul and his brother, Savage Opress. You see, Maul wants revenge on Obi-Wan Kenobi, but to do this he plans to accumulate wealth in secret, while the Republic and Separatists are busy battling each other. He attempts to do this by rescuing a woman who is an heir to the Kozanur Trade Guild and collecting a reward. Also in this book, it shows how Maul, after getting chopped in half by Kenobi on Naboo during the Phantom Menace, ends up surviving and being transported to Lothal Minor. All in all, if you're a fan of the Clone Wars television series, a Star Wars fan, a Darth Maul fan, or all of the above, you should read this graphic novel. You'll enjoy it. Well, until next time, take care and stay cool.